Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Teachable account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you pause or unpublish your coaching program in Teachable? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to pause or unpublish your coaching inside Teachable anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business doing coaching, you know that sometimes a lot of your students join in at one time and maybe you're overwhelmed. So you want to go ahead and unpublish it or pause it until you figure out the logistics. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Teachable account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Teachable account and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to pause your coaching, here on the left side, you're going to click on coaching. Looks like a calendar. All right, once you do that, you're going to see all the different coaching programs that you're currently offering. You can see I just have this one. And over here to the right, you're going to see status as published. So it's in green. So in order to unpublish it, just click on these three dots and then click on unpublish. Now, if you're never going to offer this coaching ever again and you don't mind losing the data in it, you can go ahead and delete it. I don't really recommend that because you might come back later for this offering and that way you can just simply publish it again. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to click on unpublish. Okay, here they let you know what it means. So basically you're not going to have any students that can buy and you can't accept any new students into your coaching program. If you're okay with that, go ahead and click on unpublish. Okay, quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see my coaching program is unpublished. So I'm not going to be able to take on any new students in here until I come back in here and publish again by clicking here and then publish. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to unpublish or pause your coaching inside Teachable, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel. And I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.